The connection among industry leaders, experts, and enthusiasts.
Even though Malaysia has a journey for IR 4.0, adoption of technology from
organization like this. So in the Malaysia, of course.
And then like what is shared, disruption takes place, right? And then tube became.
To get into your pocket like this.
Easy to make a program. Once the program is made, then automation.
So this is a pretty.
My name is Ida from Yuasa Trading. We are the.
My name is Jeffrey from Yuasa Mechatronics. It's because of the teaching. So that means that the teaching is using the output the drawing then to teach or is.
They refer the drawing, 3D drawing or the flat drawing, and they teach it.
Yes. So this is the integration between software and cobot is very important. Our advantage.
2 points to be raised.
And all the sheet metal tools, with the sheet metal production, the tools are complete.
You have given that some 6 circles. The one on the top, we call it as the alpha top. It's a kind of framework for the digitalization, especially for the manufacturing industry. Like many Japanese companies, 350 company, they use this kind of framework. What is alpha top? In one way, it's by some rules from the customer, from the attributes inside the data, or from the name of the data. We organize, we call it as the 5Ds. When you go back, so like that from the 12 channels, we call it as a PDM, so mini PDM or PNM.
It says it's a very unique and for the English Latin word means unique and the English meaning says that it is top quality.
Actually imported here. Yeah. Yes.
So we have socket service. So we will map the folders where the drawing saved. Right. So from there it will automatically come to this alpha framework. Yes. So in the back end we will do OCR and we will say the attributes. Right. Yeah, we will store it in the database.
We can show a demo.
So this is a hand.
Yes, you are talking about me and
myself and we were just discussing. So we just imported that. So after importing this, handwritten document, it is accurately almost 80 to 90% of the data is again, taken the words, matching words, and it has segregated into the system. So
he interviewed more than 100 people. So come over.
alfaTKG Malaysia is coming. Today, alfaTKG Malaysia is started. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. And also, so SPI and Yuasa. alfaTKG is not alone. Which family? Which family? Thank you very much.